Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to deactivate a Gmail account permanently. First, open any preferred browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. In the address bar, type mail.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Gmail sign-in page. Sign into your Gmail account with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, all of your recent emails will be displayed on the screen. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click on the cog icon. This is the settings icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This tab is located at the top of the settings page. Once you're in the Accounts and Import section, look for the option that says Other Google Account Settings and click on it. This will open a new web page. On this new web page, you will see a menu on the left side. From this menu, select the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the Data and Privacy section until you find the option that says Delete your Google account and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your account password for security reasons. Enter your password and proceed. Scroll down and you will see several statements that need to be checkmarked to confirm that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. After checking all the required boxes, click on the Delete Account button. So that's basically how you can deactivate a Gmail account permanently. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.